The assignment, it's bar graphs and pie charts. It's pretty straightforward. Guys, you want to be listening up here, please. All right, so you click on the assignment. It brings you to a blank spreadsheet. You'll see at the bottom, well, maybe not. Hold on, there we are. You see blank examples, solved examples, and assignment. For a lot of the things that we do moving forward, it's going to be structured like that. A blank example that'll take you through, the solved example, which is really just the answer to this one, and then the assignment itself. All right. So just watch first. It'll take no more than like 3 or 4 minutes. So just try to stay with me. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a pie chart. Right. So you're going to select the elements that make up that pie chart. Right. You can select the title too if you want. Right. Either way. You know what? I'll do it all in one shot. I'll show you the difference. All right. So I'm going to go to Insert, Chart.
I left my computer in a class. I got it.
Google Sheets is going to assume that you wanted to do a pie chart in this case. Okay, it's not fully like AI enabled, but it can look at what you have in terms of the information and make a suggestion over what you might want the graph to be.
There are chart type you can what are the other chart types?
So we got bar charts. They call it column charts here. You have polynomial charts. You have sideways bar charts. You've got scatter plots. We're going to learn about a lot of these as we go forward. So if, for example, so we just did this, we wanted a pie chart. It gave us a pie chart. But what if we didn't want the pie chart? Then you could change it to, let's say, a column chart, and it'll automatically make the adjustment. All right. The labels should be correct, but sometimes the system guesses incorrectly. So if your labels are not correct and you go into customize, you'll see chart and axis titles. And if you go in there, you can adjust, like for example, I'll just wipe that out real quick. You can adjust the title and it'll make it what it ought to be. All right. And then if maybe it wasn't the title, maybe it was the horizontal axis, you can change that up, whatever makes sense, all right, to do. So in this case, it was a pie chart. We were good to go. The computer assumed correctly, so we're good to go with that. So now, so for the next one, insert chart. You see, this time I wanted a bar chart. It still gave me a pie chart, so I'm going to change it up. Bar chart and column charts are the same thing. All right. So click on that. I have the one I want. It's labeled beautifully. So I have what I need. The solved examples tab is really just the same stuff. I just didn't delete it. And then the assignment tab is going to be, all right, so we're going to get rid of all this. Good job jumping ahead, folks. Actually, you know, let me do something real quick. Yeah.
Real quick, how did you make the chart again?
So insert chart. All right, I just changed the editor permission. So what I want you to do, so don't work off of this same spreadsheet, because if you do, you're going to be competing with each other. All right. So go to File, make a copy, retitle it so that it has your name. All right. Then make that copy, and now you have something that's fully editable. So then you could go into the assignment, do the work, and then select share, anyone with the link, make it editor, then copy that link and dump it into Schoology. All right. So make it editor, copy that link, dump it into Schoology after you've completed the assignment tab.